No matter what you promote, no matter what you sell, we are all in the trust business. So as a content marketer, wouldn't you love to create content that could help you build trust with your customers and prospects? You need a plan, and I'm here to help. Hello, my name is Tony Gnau, and I am the founder and chief storytelling officer at T60 Productions. At this year's Content Marketing World, we are going to talk about behind the scenes videos. When you take your customers and prospects behind the scenes at your company, it's a whole other level of transparency. And that transparency is going to help you earn their trust. I'm going to show you all sorts of terrific examples of the way companies are doing this today. And I'll bet you're going to find at least one example that's a good fit for you. So join me at Content Marketing World for my session, Peek Behind the Curtain, using video to give your audience a look backstage and earn their trust. I'm looking forward to it so much, I might even shave.